We're back. We have the sand in. I got the bracket back on, lined everything up. 300 pounds, 6 bags of 50-pounder each. That's good to go. I have it on backwash. Problem is, this is old. This is probably like 10, 15 years old. This cracked, because again, I kept it attached to the valve and it just cracked it. So there you go. If your pull guy has not put in these unions, you know, whack them upside the head, because you should have these unions. I ran out to Home Depot real quick, put in a new adapter here, put some Teflon, whatever, tape on here, sloppily glued and primed this thing together, a little piece in there. Got my union, put it on this end. Hopefully this keeps holding. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to build a section here. Again, it's not expensive, it's just annoying. So I'm, sloppily glued this thing up. That damn primer is, make sure you tighten the lid on the primer. That's all I say on the PVC primer. And then I got some lube on the O-ring here. I'm just letting this gonna set up for a couple hours. And hopefully there's no more freaking leaks. And that should do it for the plumbing. And then we have to still test the backwash for 3 minutes, the rinse for a minute or two, and then filter it and see if it works. I did make that standpipe modification. It should be fine. It's overkill. It's, again, the fixed part of the pipe is stronger than the original Hayward stock thin little cheapy part. Anyway, that's how I did it. So man, if you have a chance, unions are not terrible. Just got to make sure you measure and go quick with this stuff. Prime one piece at a time, then glue, and then put it on and hold it, and then wait till it cures like 30 seconds, then you're good. All right, just move quick. Don't do all these pieces at once. Just do one piece at a time. Again, I don't do this every day, so again, just a little tip right there. Some of these other pipes are looking old. I think this pipe going to the jacuzzi pump, I always see it kind of leaking. I don't think they put, I don't know, I think it's just decayed, or they put crappy PVC pipe on. I know I'm gonna have to replace this whole section, and piece by piece, right? And yep, there you go. Unions. So this piece does not have a union. I might put a union in here, this section on the waste pipe, just so it's out of the way. Right now I can still pull the top off with this on, but union the heck out of this stuff, man. Make it easy for yourself. The easier it is to work on your stuff, the more you'll maintain it. Right now, this is just, I dreaded this thing, but geez, I wish they would put these things together like with cars. Like cars don't do it anymore, like maintenance in mind. Yeah, some of this stuff's starting to go. Again, age, but get as much, I figure get as many years out of it you can. The sand need to replace, because I'm just always having cloudy water and some algae, and hopefully this will work. If not, I don't know. The laterals look fine. I put everything back on. I will see. Worst case, I have to rebuild the gasket here, but I don't think it's leaking from, I don't think there's a bad gasket. It's just kind of just normal wear and tear, rusty in that. There is a kit for that to pop this whole thing off, grease everything up. And right now, I just, it's not terrible. I can feel resistance, but it's just age. And again, to replace this valve assembly, 130, 140 bucks. Worst case is you slap a new one on. Now it's easier to slap it on because I'm putting a union on here. I'm gonna have to put a union on this piece as well. All right, babble, I'm out. Just again, when you think this stuff looks easy, you watch these guys on YouTube, stuff is always going to come up. I had one of the worst situations where I didn't have any unions. The standpipe was stuck to the valve. I could not get it out. That's why I had to break it and then rebuild it. And then, I don't know, everything else, I couldn't, at least the cap, the drain cap is fine, but I couldn't get the internal core plug out to help drain with the sand. Whatever, I know you can siphon sand out. I have not tried it. And mine was going to the back of me anyway in the yard. Who cares? But there's always something. It's not easy. So plan. If you have time, do it yourself. Have fun. If you want to pay someone, it's going to cost you, but they'll get it done, right? There you go. It's the trade-off. I like doing things myself as long as I don't mess them up too bad. But I know what I got to do worst case. I got the replacement parts. and I know how to do the piping. Hopefully the piping's good. This is a pressure part, so I got pressure fittings. So we'll go with that. You can't learn unless you try and fail, right? All right, guys, out.